Hello everyone, welcome to the Statistics Bio 7. In this channel, fully focus on the biostatistics related data analysis and data visualization video post on this channel. If you like this channel video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Let's go to the video. Now we are the discussion for the topic how to create a grouped box plot in RStudio software. So the most important packages in RStudio for the data visualization, ggplot2. So install the packages for the ggplot2. So enter the command for the console section in ggplot2. So install the package double oppositor ggplot2. Okay, click to the enter. So installed the packages, then complete the active for the ggplot2. So enter the command for the library. Enter the name for the ggplot2. Click to the enter. The active for the packages. So now the imported in our data set, the draw a graph for the grouped box plot. So environmental for the options in right side top. Then click to the import dataset options, then selected in the data format in data file. So I choose for the Excel format, so selected the Excel, then open the new tab for the import Excel data, then click to the browse button, then open the our data saved directory, then click to the our data set in Excel file, then click to the open. Then click to the import button. Our data is imported. So now the created for the grouped box plot in RStudio. The first one the commanded for the in the console section enter ggplot2. So enter the command ggplot2, and the next one for the a grouped box plot outlier color and shape size also selected the next one the command. So enter the command, the continue, the used for the plus symbol, the continue command is a continue. So geometry box plot, then outlier command enter. Then outlier color is a red, then outlier shape is a 16 and outlier size is a 2. Then in our grouped box plot, the x-axis take for the treatment variable and y-axis selected for the third one variable for the plant height. So click to the enter button, and then next one for the customized in our grouped box plot. So enter the command for the labs in the console sections. Then title of the our grouped box plot of the plant height by the treatment and site. Then x is the name for the treatment type, y-axis name for the plant height in centimeter units, and the fill for the site. The next one for the output of our graph and the font size and space and bold fold also. So click to the enter, then command, click to the enter. So now the created for the grouped box plot, click to the zoom button, view and verify for the our creating the grouped box plot. So the x-axis for the treatment type and the three different treatment, control, fertilizer and irrigations. So y-axis for the plant height, the unit for the centimeter, and the plant title for the grouped box plot of the plant height by the treatment and site. So the two different site, then site 1 and site 2 legend present in the right side graph, and the two different groups that created the box plot in the RStudio. This is the method for the creating the grouped box plot created in the RStudio. If you any doubt on this video, leave me comments in the comment box, and the full R script for the created the grouped box plot script I will upload for our website. That link also mentioned this video description box. If you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.